Blogging mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong niche. When it comes to blogging, it's critical to choose the right niche right from the start. If not, it will be a complete waste of time and money if you set out to make money blogging and you choose a niche that isn't going to be profitable. While there's no way to be 100% certain, there are a number of ways to figure out which niches are most likely to be profitable. Competition. Believe it or not, competition is good. It means the niche has some interest. Too much competition could be a bad thing, but you shouldn't worry about a significant amount of it. Monetization. You should find out if there are a lot of products available to promote. If you can't find any, it probably means the niche is not profitable. Trust me, if a niche could even remotely make a profit, someone is already trying. And please don't think you can monetize any niche with something like AdSense, because you would need massive website traffic to make that possible. Commercial intent. This is a fancy term to refer to whether or not people in this niche will buy anything. If it's something like funny videos, good luck making money with it. It would be possible with a very large amount of website traffic, but difficult all around. You don't have to be in a product-centric niche like women's shoes, but you do need to be in a niche where people are known to buy stuff, like golf or weight loss. If your blog doesn't conform to this checklist, it's probably not going to make you as much money as you hoped. It's certainly possible, but your chances of making money will definitely be reduced. When choosing a niche, be very careful to choose a niche where you can get significant traffic, decent competition, and one that also has the potential to be profitable. After all, you'll need something to promote as an affiliate. The next video we will talk about blogging mistake number 2. But, before you go and watch the next video, click the link below this video, so you can download your free guide and niche website now. Have yourself a great day.